How to add text in Canva. For example, you want to make an article about kiwi fruit. To add a title, click text and then add heading. Type the title. If you want to change the font, click here and choose a font. For example, I will choose Archivo Black. To rotate the text, click here and then rotate. To increase the size, click the corner like this. And then, for example, I will place it here. To change the color of the text, click here and I will choose this color. To add a subheading, click here, add text and add subheading. To change alignment, click here. To reduce the line spacing, click here and then reduce it. To add body text, click text and choose body text. To use Canva AI to make an article, just click here and choose this magic write. Choose continue writing and it will generate an article. And then click insert and then I will change the alignment to left. I will reduce the text box. And then you can reduce the font size here. And we can also manually edit the text like this. And now you have it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Canva tutorials. See you next video and have fun with Canva.